Giffy. I'm a public mural artist. I've just been spending the past few days painting this substation over here in Durban North. I've decided to paint birds that I found here near the river mouth. I've tried to pick some of my favorite water birds. The one is the African fish eagle. It's a really beautiful bird, and there were two flying around while I was painting it, singing away, and so that was really awesome. And the other one is the Goliath heron, which is the largest heron species in the world, and they really are magnificent birds. On the other side, there's two mangrove kingfishers, which are only found in sort of estuary mangrove areas. I feel really honoured to be asked to paint these public murals, and I hope that would just maybe inspire a little bit of appreciation for nature, and I hope that through that appreciation some conservation could happen. So I'd just like to say a big thanks to the EnviroFixers. They really do amazing work, and I'm looking forward to doing a lot more murals with them.